Hello there, in this class we are going to see how an assembly program is executed. But before that, let's see what are the requirements to write code in assembly language. So there are four basic things that you need to write code in assembly. The first thing is the text editor. You need a text editor to write the assembly code. You need to save it from the text editor with .asm extension. The second thing is that you need an assembler, which can be any assembler that I'm going to show you in the next video. What are the assemblers that we have? The one I'm going to be using in this code is the MASM, Microsoft Macro Assembler, that I'm going to be using in this course. The second thing that you need is the assembler. Why are you using this assembler? The assembly code will be processed by this assembler. So this, I can simply say that this is used to assemble the assembly code. Then I'm going to be needing another software that is called a linker. Linker is simply a software that links the object file with all the libraries that it needs to be executed. Then we have a loader. Loader simply loads the executable file in the memory to be executed. So these are the four requirements that you need to write code in assembly language. So let's see how an assembly program will be executed then. So the first thing I will have is the source program, which I have written in assembly language .asm extension. Let's say I have written this in some text editor. I will give it to my assembler to assemble it. So it will give me a code that is called object code, and the extension of the object code is definitely .obj. You will be seeing this thing frequently in the subsequent videos. After that, this object code shall be given to the linker, and the linker will add some libraries to this object code, and it will convert it into .exe version, so which is now an executable file. And now we will give this .exe file to our loader. So the loader is going to load it into RAM, from where it is going to go to the CPU to be executed. So this is how an assembly program is executed. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you need to like this video. You can like this video, and if you want to support us, you can definitely subscribe this channel. I'll see you in the next video with some other topics. I think I'm going to be creating another lecture on the assembler and the types of assembler.